Hello everyone, and welcome in this new video guide, and welcome to my channel. So today I will speak about this expert advisor, Akihiko. Akihiko, I choose some Chinese name for this expert. So Akihiko means the Shining Prince. So before 2 years, when this first version of this expert was published, this prince is not was so shine, because I have one bad review from some guy from Japan. He's bought the first license, and this first version of this EA is not so nice on his opinion. So he put some bad review regarding my first version. So I tried to contact him several of times and send some private message to update this expert on the last version, but this guy don't answer me anything. So if you're watching this video guide, please update this version on the this expert on the last version, because it's a brand new EA with brand new trade engine and brand new signal logic. Everything is new inside this last version. So if you visit what's new, you will follow life cycle of this EA up to today's date. So in this page you will find some information regarding this EA, and you will see what these of input have this EA inside, what this EA have of the inputs inside him. So if you want to find this EA, I will publish all link in description below, so that's it's most easiest way. Click on this link and you will be immediately redirected on this web page. The second option is go to the market, and in the search bar type the name of the expert, then click enter. And third way is go to inside your MetaTrader 5 platform on the market, and in the search bar also type the name of this expert. Click enter, and after that click on this icon, and after that click on this button download demo, and it will be immediately installed demo version inside your MetaTrader 5 platform, so you can start testing this EA immediately. Just a second. It was profit before 5 minutes, so I don't know what's going on here. Okay, where is my Akihiko? Just a second. Okay, if you follow my works, you probably know all my sets is published in the comment section, inside comment section. So these sets, it's all set and published before 2 years for the first version of this EA. So it's not valid anymore. I don't have a new set right now for this expert advisor. So then how to, you probably wondering how to test this EA. So this EA by default is optimized for trading on the Euro USD or on H1 time frame. So you can use default value of this expert and move this expert on the chart. Test this expert inside your strategy tester and use default value. You can only change value inside the section of money management. So everything depends for how much money you want to test this expert, and which leverage you want to use. So only change input, adjust input inside money management system, nothing else. Don't touch nothing else. So then try and test this expert advisor on Euro USD on H1. So I optimize this year for trading on the last and this year. So all this last and this year is out of sample data. So I'm not optimized this year for this year inside optimizer, because from data of this year, but I use data before 5 years. Then because I always optimize any of my EAs with forward optimization process, so then I choose best possible data for trading and testing for last and this year. So it's very important to know that. So right now I will show you one picture. Just a second to make transition. Okay, now I will open this picture for me. Okay, as you can see here, we have 4 fields, and this expert is not so big. It's very low number of inputs. So first section is money management system, this red section. Blue section is entry and exit rules. All these rules are calculated in pips. Then we have auxiliary. In this field we have only 2 inputs, number of trade. So here we can choose how much trade we want for one day. For example, we want only 1 trade per 1 day, or simply leave 0 here, and that's mean it will be unknown number of trade, and depending on the signal logic. So then we have a magic number, of course. Why this magic number it's so important? So if you use this EA with other EA on the same currency pair, or if you use this EA, for example, on the same currency pair, but on the different time frame, then please change this magic number. So these are something like unique ID for EA, for a position. Sorry. So last section is signal section. It's very important to know that these experts have entry and have exit signal rules. So it's if this condition is met, expert will close any active order, no matter where your stop is. So it's very important to know that. So these are something like a safeguard for this expert. So last option inside the signal section is signal limit time range. These are intraday time range. So if you activate this option, you can, for example, allow this expert and choose some start and end time. Then expert will only try to find signal or close some position in for only in this signal this time range. So that will be all regarding this image. So now I will open my terminal. Just a second to make transition. Okay. Just a second to open this expert. I hope you everything see clearly. Okay. Now let's start from the top. So these are money management system. You have 2 options to choose. You can choose automatic calculation lot size. If you choose this option, double click here. Then you must choose your risk in percent. Then you must choose yours. You must set or insert some maximum lot size. Above this number, expert will not open any volume above this chosen number. So all active order generated by the signal logic will be below this your chosen number. So we have decimal range. So simply you can option to choose between 1 and 2. I think I explained what this decimal range means in some of my video before regarding some different EA, but these EA have the same engine as Akihiko. Now if you deactivate this first option, so simply choose your fixed lot size here. For example, I don't know, everything depends on your account balance. So if you have $100, you probably use micro lot. Now I will just a second. So next input is take profit and stop loss. Then we have a trailing stop and trailing step. If you insert here 0, that's mean this option will not be active. So like so, this one on the break-even step. So that's mean this input is not active. Now we have break-even stop and break-even step. then I explained already this number of trades. So again, you can input here only one. So one, that's mean you choose to this expert open only one trade per day, nothing else. So inside the signal section, sorry, we have signal rules, entry signal rules, and exit signal rules. Inside these brackets, you will find a default value for any of these indicator. So I think it's pretty nice to know what is the default value for any of these indicator. And the last option inside signal section, this intraday time range. So simply double click here and activate this option. This option you can optimize this option only this first field, but this two field below must be adjusted manually. For example, I want this try to find the signal between this time range, so and this actually try to find signal only between, I don't know, 2 hours in a day, and that will be all. So if you want to reduce this expert, but you no need to use this option. Now I will show you how this expert work on the inside the strategy tester. So please download demo and put expert here in this first field. Choose Euro USD on H1. Choose this choose this start date and air date. Then for delay, use random delay, and you can use any modeling type you want. And for deposit also, you can choose anything you want, and for the leverage too. So then I will fire on this button. Okay, now you will see how you will find some basic information here. Profit factor is more than 3, recovery factor is more than 7, expected payoff is more than 6, and Sharpe ratio is more than 4. So it's a pretty nice performance. This expert have pretty nice performance. So I don't know, you can try to test this expert on the $100. I just check, but then you must use high leverage, one to up between 1 and 500. So just a second, I will try. I don't know, I'm not tried this so far. What I'm doing here. Okay, pretty nice result. I'm satisfied, very satisfied. So you start with 100 and you earn 1000. It's a pretty nice result. I don't know this is possible. So it's possible. So it's very important to check all these input here. I explain someone, but if you want to know more what this thing means, go to the help and go here, help topics, and inside here you will find this information, user guide. So that will be all regarding this expert, and we will see you very soon in the new, because I will make new video guide for some of my expert. I will choose one of these, and till then, have a nice day.